feeling. But anyway, Boxing Day dito sa UK. So, parang katunog siya ng unboxing. So, why not na mag-unbox? No, hindi unboxing. Haul tayo sa mga natanggap ko nitong Christmas. Actually, wala akong masyadong major present na natanggap. Parang feeling ko wala naman akong masyadong kailangan na dahil niregaluhan ko na yung sarili ko ng camera, which is yung Insta360 Go Ultra ba yung tawag doon. So, yun yung niregalo ko sa sarili ko for Christmas. And then, meron akong sinend na parang wish list kay Gray. Parang normal kasi dito na parang meron silang pa wish list para to make sure na gusto mo yung present na or gift na matatanggap mo sa Christmas, no? So, yun nga, like what I said, wala naman akong masyadong kailangan. But anyway, yun nga, papakita ko sa inyo ang aking very low-key and simple present, no, from my loved ones. So, first thing first, na-receive ko to from my colleague, one of my colleagues, and niregaluhan niya ako ng candle because she knows na mahilig ako sa candle, and sobrang bango niya, parang may pagka-ginger siya, yeah, ginger, yes. Sobrang cute niya. And sobrang bango din niya. Na-receive ko tong blanket from Graham's mom. I really love it. The color, it's so nice. It's very me. So, yan siya. Diba? Hello po! And then, niregaluhan din niya ako ng Christmas card na may kasamang cash. Ayan. Cash, 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 cash. Kay Graham naman. Ito, yung mga natanggap ko from Graham, ito kasing parang nasa wish list ko. So, first thing first, itong brush. Sobrang ganda niya. Diba, siyang makasyala. Alam mo yung parang hindi naglalagas yung buhok. Ayan, diba, sobrang ganda niya na para bang hindi ka binalakubak before. And then, itong tumbler. Tingnan ko sa okay. Malaking tumbler. Ayan, sobrang pretty niya. Ang lakas ng maka-aesthetic. And then, stainless steel din yung, ano niya, yung sa loob niya. Ayan. Kasi mahilig akong, pag bumabiyari kami, mahilig akong gawa ng iced coffee. So, very handy siya and convenient pag nasa sasakyan kami. Next year, nagbabalak akong magbalik alindog. Balik alindog daw! Sa wishlist ko is parang yoga. Ano siya parang? Yoga mat. Yan. Yan siya. So, makikita nyo itong mga gamit nyo sa mga magiging video ko this next few days for sure. And lastly, ano ba yun? Parang tumasikundaway ko ata. And lastly, from Graydon, itong matcha ceremony set. Ayan. Mahilig ako sa matcha. I love matcha. So, yon yung mga natanggap ko this Christmas. Happy New Year! So, madaling araw na dito and hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi ako makatulog siguro sa wine na ininom ko, no? Diyos me. But anyway, yun, January 1st na dito. And it's New Year. And tomorrow, January 2nd, which is Friday, back to work ako. And I think it's not gonna be stressful dahil weekend naman tomorrow, no? And next week, which is Monday, hindi ko alam kung ba't iniisip ko agad yan. Pero yun nga, next week Monday, back to reality na tayo. And by the way guys, what is your New Year's resolution? Meron ba kayo? Share nyo naman, comment down below. Uy, may pa-comment down below na siya. Sa akin, ang New Year's resolution ko, tingin ko maging consistent sa mga bagay-bagay na gusto kong ginagawa sa buhay. Like this, content creation, and yung pagluluto-luto, and pag-aayos ng bahay, ganon. And of course, maging healthy tayo, no? Tuloy-tuloy ang healthy living natin. And magpadami ng pera dahil alipin tayo ng salapi. Alam tuloy kung New Year's resolution pa ba tong mga chinichika ko dito or parang goal ata to sa buhay, no? But yun nga, anyway, yun lang naman yung gusto ko. Hindi ako magkakat ng alcohol dahil hindi naman ako pala inom. Mukha lang akong palainom, pero hindi ako palainom. And what else? Yun nga, healthy living siguro din. Like what I said earlier, consistency. Kailangan kong maging consistent sa mga bagay-bagay na gusto kong ina-achieve sa buhay para makat ko yung mga bagay-bagay na hindi ko dapat ginagawa. Gets nyo? Parang ang gulo. Pero yun yung gusto kong iparating. So, it's 9:20 p.m. na, and then kakatapos lang namin kumain ni Gray. And I don't know what to do, guys. As you can see, yung background ko, it's really messy. Gusto kong hugasan na yung mga plato, but I don't wanna do it yet. I'm thinking to wash the dishes tomorrow. But when I wake up in the morning, I want everything is tidy. So I can chill, make my cup of tea, make my cup of coffee, or my matcha latte. Uy, matcha latte, 3-in-1 ka lang dati, girl, huwag kang umaarte. Yun nga, so I need to figure out what I'm gonna do. Because it's a disaster right now here in the kitchen. Parang feeling ko hindi ako makakatulog ng maayos kapag ganito yung kitchen namin. So I'm going to the market first para i-check yung trousers ko to alternation. Or next weekend, it will be fine.
Next week, Thursday.
I mean, next weekend.
Yes, yeah.
Saturday. It's £12, yeah. Thank you. So yeah, I just get back home from our town and it was freezing outside. Some people just proper up warm, but I cannot really do that. Dahil it's really heavy for me, like I feel suffocated. So other people do like layering. Okay. And yeah, let's do a quick rehaul. Let's do a quick haul and I'll show you guys kung ano yung mga nabili ko, no? And first thing first, pasta. This is from M&S. It's not just food, it's M&S food. Wow! Yun yung parang ano nila, tagline sa brand. Yeah, I love M&S food. I'm a fan of M&S food. Yeah. So, second is the Parmigiano. Yes! Yung grated na yung inano ko, yung kayod na yung binili ko. And I don't know, I just got a Diet Coke, 1 lemon, a chicken leg, 3 pieces. Ipa-partner ko to sa pasta. So, I was thinking to make a creamy pasta with chicken on the side. Whoo! Yun na ba? Dati pansat canton ka lang, girl, ah. And then I got 20% ground beef, 20% fat, ground beef. I got a cottage cheese. I love this cottage cheese. And then this is the cream I will use later for the pasta. And yeah, here's the baguette. I got a small baguette dahil dalawa lang naman kami ni Grace. So, yan lang. Yeah, that's everything actually. Hindi man ako masyadong namili ng bongga kasi nga mahirap siyang bitbitin dahil naglakad lang ako. So, yon ang aking haul. Like what I said, it's not just food. It's M&S food. Hoy! M&S, baka naman dyan